Use the bot at your own risk. We will not be responsible for any account bans. In our test, currently, there are no ban issues. Start the bot. As written, you need premium membership currently priced at 450 rupees per month. This price can change later also. You need to contact the admin for that. After getting the premium membership, you will see a message like this: you have been granted 30 days of premium membership. Now, you need to set the source Telegram channel ID. Use /setsource as per this example. I am using this test Telegram channel. Get your channel ID from any free user ID bots. Forward your channel message to get your channel ID. Now, set up the source channel using that ID. /setSource channel ID here. The source channel is set now. Add the destination WhatsApp channel name now. Use /setDestination with the channel name as per the example. I am using this test WhatsApp channel. Now use /setDestination in channel name, which is test channel 1 in my case. The destination channel is set now. Next step is to log in. Use the login command. Wait. Scan the QR code to log in. Wait. It successfully logged in and navigated to your channel. The next important step now is to add this bot to the source channel as an admin. Follow me and add this bot as an admin in the source channel. You can remove these admin rights later as well. The bot is an admin in the source channel now. Now, the final step is to start forwarding. Use the /start forwarding command. Wait. Forwarding is started now. Now, let's test it. Add a sample message in the Telegram channel. Trying with a text-only message first. See, it is getting forwarded. It is forwarded now. Trying with a media attached message now. It is also forwarded now. So, the bot is working.